while those eggs are cooking, I wanted to go over another piece of equipment. I bought a spork to use for camping. They're a fork, they're a spoon, knife, utensil. They've got a little knife here on this side. But we're going to try these out, and of course they're going to work. Now I've looked this company up, and they are a very good company. Let me see here. Okay, so these are designed in Seattle, Washington. And if you would like one, you can go to www.ucogear.com. They're on Facebook and Instagram, and I'll post a link to these so you can check one out. But they're really good. They're simple, they're easy, and they're inexpensive also. So yeah, I recommend these right here. They come two to a pack. I've already taken one out, and I've been eating with it last night. But I really like them. They come in different colors and stuff. But yeah, very good product here. Another good thing to carry in your pack or when you're on the trail are these multi-spice units right here. You can get them at Walmart. You can get them all over the place. So it's got all the spices that you need for cooking over a campfire at home or wherever you want to use it. But I always carry one of these with me, and of course I got a new one because my other one burned up. But these work very well, and they're packaged so that they stay pretty dry. They don't get wet or anything. And we'll use this as our seasoning. Okay, all right, so we'll put this on standby. All right, one other piece of equipment that I'd like to tell you about, and these are really good. This is my, this is the second one I've gotten. This is made by Stanley. It's a 2-cup cook set. They're inexpensive. I'll post a link to this. I think they're only about 15 bucks. But they're stainless steel, and they have a locking lid here that you can lock stuff in, but they come with a little lid, and I hope you can see that, but it's got strainer holes in it, and it comes with 2 cups, and inside there is, let me take this paper off. Burn that later. But I don't know if you can see or not. I'll zoom in. But they have measurements here on the outside, which means they're on the inside too. And you can make top ramen in here. You can heat up soup. You can make coffee. Now, when I make coffee, what I do is I just grind up the coffee, throw it in there with some water, and then let it boil. Let it sit for a minute. And then with this strainer, I can just strain it out and pour me a good cup of coffee with no grounds. And then if I want to leave some food in here or something, you've got this handle that flips over. You put the little tab down and you slide this all the way back, and that locks it in. Okay. I also had, it just dropped a minute ago. I also had they make a kettle too. That's a round pot, and it's got the flip over lid, and it comes with 2 bowls, 2 lids, a ladle, and a flipper inside. And those are really handy too. But I can't say enough about Stanley products. I mean, everything they make is really, really good. It's really good quality stuff. And I don't know how much food that I've cooked using one of these, and coffee, and they work really great. And it's not that expensive. Of course, you know, in today's times, I don't have to tell you about that. But yes, very good product. I highly recommend this. Let me flip it back over. Okay. And then what I do with mine to save space, I will take one of the cups out, so I only have one cup in there, and then I'll put some bouillon cubes. I'll crush up top ramen, put it in a baggie. Oatmeal, I'll put oatmeal in a baggie, and I'll stuff it in there, so that if I'm out on the trail or all I got's my bag, then I've got something hot to eat or something hot to drink, or whatever the case may be. But yes, I highly recommend these. This is, once again, made by Stanley, so check them out, and I'll post a link to it.